Hello everyone, let us find a solution to this simple trigonometric equation. 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to cosecant theta. Don't forget to like, comment and share to your learning colleagues. Let's get started. We have 2 sine theta minus 1 to the left. But remember that cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sine theta, which can be expressed as 1 divided by sine theta, right? And from here, you can multiply every single term by sine theta just to clear the fraction. So 2 sine theta times sine theta will give us 2 sine squared theta minus 1 multiplied by sine theta will give us sine theta equals 1 divided by sine theta times sine theta will give us 1. Then you can take this one inside. We have 2 sine squared theta minus sine theta minus 1 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation in terms of sine theta, which can be factorized. Just take the leading coefficient and multiply by the constant term. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Now you think of two numbers which when you multiply them together, you get negative 2. The moment you add those two numbers together, you get the coefficient of sine theta, which is negative 1. And the numbers are negative 2 and positive 1, or 1 and negative 2, all the same. So you can factorize it as, remember the two numbers, right? Positive 1, negative 2. These are the numbers. So we have sine theta, right? Take the first one plus 1, but always divide by the leading coefficient. 1 divided by 2, multiply by the sine theta again, minus 2 divided by 2. Can I write 1 directly? Let me just write it step by step. Everything equal to 0. So this implies that either sine theta plus 1 over 2 equals 0, or sine theta, the second one, minus 1 equals 0, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So these are the two equations we are going to solve. It is either sine theta from here equals negative 1 divided by 2, or sine theta equals 1 if you take negative 1 to the other side. So let's start with the first one here. If sine theta is equal to negative 1 over 2, then should we solve for 1? Then we go to the other, or let us take them simultaneously. Then sine of pi minus theta will also be negative 1 over 2. So let me start with the first one. Sine theta equals negative 1 over 2. If you take sine inverse of both sides, you have what do we call it? Theta to be equal to negative pi divided by 6, because sine inverse of negative 1 over 2 will give us this. Always add multiples of 2 pi. This is your first solution. Then, if you consider theta to be pi minus theta, remember that if you have sine theta equals A, then sine of pi minus that theta again will still be equal to A. This identity is what you should remember. So that input, theta and this, will always be the same output, right? We'll have the same outputs. So this time around, we are going to take theta minus pi minus theta to also be equal to sine inverse of negative 1 over 2. So pi minus theta to be equal to negative pi divided by 6. So from here, if you solve for theta, it's like adding pi and pi over 6 together, which is going to give us what? 7 pi over 6. So theta will be equal to 7 pi divided by 6. Also add multiples of 2 pi. 2 solutions so far. Then the last one here, sine of what angle will give us 1? Only 1 point at 90 degrees. That is pi over 2, right? So theta will also be equal to pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, plus multiples of 2 pi. So we have how many solutions? 1, 2, 3 solutions. with their coterminal angles. And if you like to write this one using smallest positive angle, you can add 2 pi to this number, which I think is going to give us 11 pi divided by 6. But I like to leave it like this. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.